I decided to do a little project because I don't like white picture frames. So I took the back, I took the white print out of the photos, and let me show you what we did with them. Well, first I had this spray paint I wasn't using and I didn't want it to go to waste. The color is Gloss Grizzly Bear, beautiful color. And I spray painted them this color, and then I'm going to put the back in the frame and the pictures on top of them. I think that's going to look so pretty.
Bad boy! There now. I said come here. I said come here and get dry. Now.
Hey you guys, sorry I didn't get to introduce myself in the beginning of the video, but my name is Shaneika. If you are new here on this channel, we talk all things faith, all things home and lifestyle. And yeah, let's get right into it. So right now I found this beautiful shoe storage cabinet on Facebook Marketplace for $50. I always wanted one of these, so when I saw it in my area for the price, I had to grab it. So I'm planning to use it here on my entryway table. So I'm just cleaning it out. I wiped it out with a cloth before I brought it in the house. And I'm also going to just try it in different spaces just to see how it looks. Now, when I placed it in this area, it was way too tall and it was covering the mirror. So unfortunately, I won't be able to use it here. I tried to use it where my gallery wall is with the 3 pictures of me and my sons, but it was still too tall for that area as well. And being that I have an open concept living space and dining area, it just clashed with all my other furniture. It just started to look too cluttered. So I sold this shoe cabinet, unfortunately, the next day back on Facebook Marketplace. I got a really good price for it. So many people messaged me about this item. So it was hard for me to choose the right person, but I did. So instead, I decided to bring the console table that I brought from Goodwill for $10. It's a Mediterranean style console table. I placed it here in this area and I think it just looks so much better. It just makes the place just look much bigger and lighter, being that it has a glass top. And I'm just going to use a basket just to kind of hide and conceal all of our shoes so they're just not scattered all over the place. Anyway, you guys tell me what you think. Do you prefer the shoe cabinet, or do you think the console table looks better in this area? Now, I hope you continue to watch the video. As we go throughout the video, I also tackle my big gallery wall over my couch. I decided to spray paint it, and hopefully that comes out right. We're going to do that together for the first time. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to take these frames off of the wall and I'm going to spray paint them a khaki color. Um, this is the color that we're going to use. Beautiful. Now, ChatGPT told me to hold the spray paint as far away from the item that I'll be spraying, which I did, but it just felt like none of the color was getting onto the white mat. So I did bring it a little closer, and that seemed to help pick up the color some more. But it started to get a little bit blotchy in just different areas. It wasn't spraying on evenly. I don't know what I was doing wrong. This is what I don't like about spray paint because, as you can see, I am using so much spray paint. I feel like I'm wasting it. And when I picked up the mat, I did. Now, I'm so grateful that this one can was able to be enough for these four mats, but realistically speaking, I needed like a can and a half. Now, ChatGPT gave me a couple of different colors that they suggested that I should use. I went with this color, and it's just a little bit too dark when it dried down later on. It's a camouflage khaki color, so I'm thinking that's why maybe those blotchy areas look the way they do because it's supposed to be a camouflage color like army fatigue. So I just kind of went with it. So I'm so grateful that the other side is white. This is two-sided. So if this didn't come out the way I needed it to come out, I can just flip it back to the white side and always spray paint this a different color once I master the proper way to do this. Now, this was the very moment when I realized that I messed up or it was just too blotchy. I mean, from far away, it looks really, really good. I love the color. I wish it was just a little bit lighter. I feel like this would be perfect for the cooler months like winter and fall. So I'll probably use it for that.